The filler cap covers and seals the opening where you fuel your lantern. The metal cap has a seal so the fuel tank will stay pressurized. If your lantern's fuel tank won't hold pressure or requires you to pump more air into the tank frequently, then you likely need a new filler cap. Replacing the filler cap is a simple repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Soja.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
The filler cap just simply threads on to the fuel tank on your lantern. To remove the cap, I'll unthread it. If the tank is pressurized, unscrew it a bit and then give the tank a second to depressurize. Now install the new cap. And that's how simple it is to replace the filler cap on your lantern. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.